My name is Benjamin Tassi. I'm a composer of electroacoustic music. For the National Gallery, I made some new music based on recordings by the English pianist Myra Hess. Hess is perhaps best known for her arrangements of Bach for the piano and for performances that she gave here in the National Gallery during the Second World War. And I was interested in really the differences between the situation when Hess was responding to a time of national crisis and our own responses to the COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown. I think Hess really understood that in times of crisis we need music. Not only as an escape from what's around us, but because I think it communicates something fundamental about the human experience, and it helps build communities of listeners, something that obviously at the moment we're missing. Music is missing, live music at least, is missing. So I wanted to make some new music that responded to that idea somehow. So I took 4 recordings that Hess made, 2 pieces of Bach, a piece by Purcell and a keyboard sonata by Scarlatti, and I processed those in the computer so that sometimes there were fragments of the original left over, sometimes they were very different. But I don't perform them. I put that music onto 2 reel-to-reel tape machines from the 1970s and then had the computer process that audio through some guitar pedals and using analog synthesizers so that it really is a performance, but in the absence of any performers. I think what electronic music does when it's at its best, particularly kind of tape music, captures this trace of a movement, of emotion, of some kind of performance. And I suppose in the visual arts, when they appeal to me most, they also have this idea of movement in 2 ways: the movement of the subject of the painting, but also the movement of the painter. You feel as if someone really made that and left an impression, and that's what I've tried to do in this piece with the music, is to not only have Hess's performance really come through somehow, but also my own work shaping the material as well.